Yeah. What's up? Count money, get money, count money. What's up? Get money, count money, get money, count money. What's up? Get money, count money. Look, what? I used to have nothing, but now I got a whole lot of everything.
Do my dog recession proof till that is, you know, do my little thing, man. Rest in peace, Whitney Houston, man. That's why nigga came out tonight. Came out to blow a quick stack tonight. You know, nigga can't die with a stack in his pocket, you feel me? Nigga gotta come out, blow a stack real quick. Young nigga, man, turn up 21, you know what I'm saying? Rest in peace to my little brother. You know, he'll be 6 years old. So, we're definitely gonna make a movie here tonight, man. My dog recession proof till that is, you know, they're running.
Somebody call a Brinkz truck, the boss back. Somebody call a Brinkz truck, the boss back. Somebody call a Brinkz truck, the boss back. Somebody call a Brinkz truck.
Maybach music.
Rose, Rose, I got the baddest bitches waiting on the nigga. I got these pussy niggas hating on the nigga. Since they wanna talk, I went and bought another chain. 40 cars, I gotta put them in my mama name. Hella pat on my crib, my money out of here. Love my daughter to death, 10 carats in her ear. Heavy ammunition for your fuck boys. Heavy ammunition for you fuck boys. I'm getting paid, I put that on my daddy grave. Got 200,000 in my Chevrolet. I'm the king of diamonds, my chain still speaking Ebonics. If she selling pussy, bring it, cause baby, I got it. Drop a chicken in the grease and make one in the two. All these rides in my yard, my shit a kind of food. I got a plug, he a oye, so show me love, it's only Rose. Rose, you gotta separate yourself from fuck boys. Can't even drop your top because your ass so paranoid. I'm floating in my shit like I'm in a parade. Oh, you better take notes, I spent 10 on the paint. Waving at these bitches and I know these niggas hoish. Took your bitch to get lemon pepper in a new Lotus. I'm so rich, I'm so rich. If it's less than 10 stacks, to me it's whole shit. It's time to step your game up. Gotta run your credit just to bring my name up. 20 million, nigga, look in my face. It's only one Rose. Rose.
Your daddy came in the blue eye. Stack up?
Stack up better, man. Lord, check it.
Hey, this man crazy, man. He come to the club to throw money. What's wrong with this man? Check him out. I let your boy $100 Will. Manager, whole club Boca. Friday nights, we do this shit every fucking week. We taking this shit over. Forward to Club Boca. You seen the movie you just made. You seen the shit. Come out there, tell them boys, man.
Rick, baby.
Dog can hear that. Man, look at it. Dang it, man.
Hey, man.
Everything.
I got a 9 to 5, but this ain't no income tax money, man. This shit was a movie, bitch. Hey, man. Club Boca, man. Show your face.
Every fucking Saturday, kid.
Man, take a look at it, nigga, man. We gonna do the every Saturday, nigga. How did this shit gonna do everything?
Somebody call a Brinkz truck, the boss back. Somebody call a Brinkz truck, the boss back. Somebody call a Brinkz truck, the boss back. Somebody